Hi, my name is Anya Lynn-Alesker, and I want to welcome you to the Advanced Custody Litigation Institute, taking place April 11th through 14th, 2022. I'm the managing attorney for the ABA Commission on Domestic and Sexual Violence, and I'm just going to take a couple of quick minutes to go over our Institute learning objectives as well as some of our expectations. So, as you know, advanced issues in custody litigation could take more than just the few days and hours we have together to cover. And so, in order to set clear expectations for you, we're going to focus on a number of specific learning objectives. Our hope is that by the end of our time together, you will be better able to more effectively represent victims of domestic violence in custody and visitation cases, more effectively litigate issues of standing in custody visitation cases, draft and respond to fact specific discovery requests, defend against unnecessary emergency motions filed by the opposing party, respond to surprises raised in your client's testimony or in previously unknown exhibits, impeach opposing parties in a variety of ways, and finally, be better able to determine when and how to best modify and enforce final custody orders. Now, we of course used to have this training in person, but even though we're going to be connecting virtually, we want to set some clear expectations for you about what this training institute will be like and what it won't be, and what we hope to have in terms of expectations of you as participants. So, what can you expect? This is going to be a highly interactive learning experience. It's not going to be hours of lecture. You're going to be working in large group and small group formats with your peers and with your faculty facilitators. And because of that, and we know many of you have great experience, there are going to be a lot of opportunities for you to learn from your peers as well as the expert faculty. And again, there will be challenging activities that will require you to respond in the moment and consider what you would do, and in some cases, actually practice it. And we also hope that for all of you, there will be opportunities to think creatively and try out new strategies. What is this institute not going to be? Again, a lecture, a coverage of research and resources that you could find on your own. It's a national scope training, so it won't be jurisdiction specific. And again, no series of talking heads. What we expect from you: we would love for you to be engaged, to have your camera on if possible. We all know what it's like working remotely from home, which some of you may still be doing. We understand that, but we want you to really be connected to people, and the research actually shows that having your camera on and engaging that way can really make you be more engaged in the actual learning, to be interactive in those groups, to be on time and present for all sessions. Your group needs you. You're important. Your expertise, your questions, you're going to challenge your peers, and that's so important, and they're going to learn from you. And to be open to challenging yourself. We know that it can be hard to step forward, especially in an audience that you don't know the folks well. People are across the country and it's just a number of boxes on the screen. But we really want you to use this time to learn, grow, and do what you need in terms of those learning experiences to become a better lawyer and to feel like you came to this training and left with something useful. A few notes about the curriculum. We really try to value the power of language. So we try to use non-victim blaming language, so language that holds the offender accountable, and we'll see if you can use that as well. And that's important. And we do try in our work to center survivors who experience multiple forms of oppression. Not every scenario and every training can sort of center all of those identities, both of survivors and of people who are offending or using power and control. But we want you to know that that's important to us, and we hope you raise the additional experiences that people might have because of their identities as we go through the curriculum. And finally, we're your TA provider. We are here funded by the U.S. Department of Justice Office on Violence Against Women to help you do your job better and to support you with the tools you need. We have publications for free on our website for grantees, statutory summary charts, legal resources. We have a lot of trainings coming up in this next year, both webinar sort of style as well as highly interactive institutes, from trial skills to advanced trial skills, custody, of course, and this Advanced Custody Institute. And so we hope you'll stay connected with us through our listservs and by checking out our website. As far as our listservs, we host a number of national listservs, including our litigators listserv, where you can continue that peer-to-peer contact with people across the country and ask questions, whether they're case-specific strategy issues, identifying if people have worked with an expert who's the other side's bringing in, or you want to know what people have done with a certain judge who is responding to cases in a certain way, and you want to know if people have dealt with this in other jurisdictions to learn from them. It's a great resource, and you can sign up for that and apply to join on our website as well. And most importantly, I said we're here to help you. You can request TA. TA stands for technical assistance, but what it really means is help. We are here to help you from small issues in your cases to larger systemic issues. You can visit us at www.americanbar.org/CDSV, or just Google Commission on Domestic and Sexual Violence ABA and we'll come up. Thanks so much. We really hope you enjoy your time with us. We hope you challenge us and the faculty, and please don't hesitate to reach out in the interim if you have any questions. Thanks.